Mastering formal greetings in English. First impressions count. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we are committed to making your English language journey as interesting as possible. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into formal greetings in English. These are extremely important in professional settings or when addressing someone of a higher status. Remember, first impressions matter. Formal greetings are used in certain situations such as business meetings, academic environments, formal gatherings, or whenever a certain level of respect is required. Using the right formal greeting can set the tone for the entire conversation and can show respect and professionalism. Let's take a look at some common formal greetings in English. 1. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. These are time-specific greetings, commonly used in professional environments. Example: Good morning, Mr. Smith. It's nice to see you. 2. How do you do? This is an old-fashioned, very formal greeting, often used when meeting someone for the first time. Example: How do you do, Mrs. Johnson? 3. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. These are polite expressions used when meeting someone for the first time. Example: Pleased to meet you, Dr. Brown. 4. It's a pleasure to meet you. This greeting is also used when meeting someone for the first time, usually in formal settings. Example: It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor Thompson. Remember, the key to using these formal greetings appropriately is the situation and the person you're interacting with. While we're focusing on the words and phrases themselves, don't forget that pronunciation is equally important. In English, stress, rhythm, and intonation can greatly affect how your speech is perceived. Here are a few tips. 1. Slow down. Speak at a measured pace. It shows confidence and clarity. 2. Emphasize the right words. In Good morning, Mr. Smith, stress the good in Good morning and the person's name. 3. Mind your intonation. Generally, the pitch of your voice should go down at the end of a statement. Practice these tips and you'll sound more natural and confident in no time. And that wraps up our session on formal greetings in English. Remember, the way you greet someone sets the tone for the entire conversation, so make sure to make a good first impression. Keep practicing these formal greetings, and don't forget our pronunciation tips. As always, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring the world of English. Happy learning!